We'll guide you through how to make Wi-Fi icon in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the search bar to find Google Chrome. Once the browser appears in the search results, open the Google Chrome application on your computer. After the browser launches, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, go to the official Figma website and wait for it to load completely. Before continuing, make sure you're logged into your Figma account. Next, start a new project by clicking plus Design File from the dashboard. Once the file is created, the edit page of your project will open. To begin creating a Wi-Fi icon, press O on your keyboard to activate the circle tool. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the initial circle. After creating the circle, go to the Design tab on the right panel, remove the fill property, and add a stroke instead. Adjust the stroke weight until it reaches the thickness you want for the icon. Once the first circle is ready, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Enlarge the duplicated circle while holding the Shift key to keep its proportions perfectly balanced. Repeat the same process once more to create a third circle that is larger than the previous two. Next, duplicate one of the circles again to create a cutter shape. This time, remove its stroke completely so it can be used as a cutting object. With the cutter layer selected, open the arc settings and adjust the sweep until only 25 degrees remain. Then change the starting point to -135 degrees to position the opening correctly. After preparing the cutter, select all circles that still have strokes and combine them into a union. Next, select the cutter layer and apply the intersect operation to trim the circles into Wi-Fi signal arcs. Finally, add a small black dot beneath the arcs to complete the icon. Then select every element and press Ctrl+E to combine everything into a single editable vector component.